1. Introduction to the square can production line. Square cans are packaging containers used in various industries, such as food, beverages, chemicals, and pharmaceuticals. They are known for their large capacity, good stability, and ease of stacking. The square can production line is a specialized automated production system designed for the manufacture of square cans. It integrates metal material processing, can body forming, sealing, and inspection processes to ensure high-quality square cans and production efficiency. Modern square can production lines have achieved a high degree of automation. They not only produce square cans in various specifications, but also ensure precise control and efficient operation at every stage, minimizing manual intervention and making them suitable for mass production. And number 2, Jinzan Enterprise, a leading supplier of square can production lines. When selecting a supplier for square can production lines, it's essential to choose a company with strong technical capabilities and reliable service. Jinzan Enterprise, a leader in the industry, has become a trusted partner for many companies due to its innovative equipment, high-quality products, and comprehensive service system. Star 1. Advanced Technology. Jinzan Enterprise has extensive experience in designing and manufacturing production lines, combining the latest automation technologies to offer highly intelligent square can production lines. Its equipment integrates advanced control systems that enable precise production and support remote operation and real-time monitoring, helping businesses improve production efficiency. 2. Stable and durable equipment. The square can production line equipment from Jin Enterprise is manufactured with high-quality materials and excellent craftsmanship, ensuring durability and stability. The core components of the equipment use internationally renowned brands, guaranteeing low failure rates during long-term operation and helping customers reduce maintenance costs. Star 3. Flexible customization services. Jinzan Enterprise offers tailored square can production line solutions based on the specific needs of its customers. Whether it's producing square cans of different sizes or meeting special material and process requirements, Jinzan can provide the best equipment configuration and process design for each client. 4. Comprehensive after-sales support. In addition to providing high-quality equipment, Jinzan Enterprise has a professional after-sales service team that offers full technical support. From equipment installation and commissioning to operation training, Jinzan ensures that customers can quickly familiarize themselves with and efficiently use the production line. Moreover, its after-sales team responds quickly, solving any equipment issues in the shortest time to ensure uninterrupted production.